this night I am heading towards the Swan River because there's gonna be fireworks going on around there, so I'll definitely be heading in the general directions of where the fireworks, well, at least where the fireworks were last year. So yeah, let's see how everything goes. And it's a brisk 27 degrees. It's nice. I just wish our summers were this warm during the day, not during the night, but oh well. Ooh, I like these empty roads, man. Might actually have to start doing a few more night rides. Now I know I've got a friend who does quite enjoy doing night rides, considering he works during the day and he's usually pretty busy during the day. I'm not going to be speeding or anything stupid. It'll just be a nice chill night ride. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to be talking about, so I will just be blabbering a whole bunch of shit. Well, I wouldn't say a whole bunch of shit, but just blabbering about random shit maybe. Or maybe I'll just end up staying quiet and just listen to music and listen to my engine go. It's quite therapeutical, to be honest. Actually, in the comments, whoever does watch this, let me know. Have y'all ever just hopped on your bike, just gone out and just listened to the engine and just, yeah, your problems just fade away while you're just on the bike, and it's actually quite nice. Because I have found that, yeah, just hopping on here is incredibly therapeutical. Just, you know, focus on riding. But yeah, definitely let me know what y'all think, because yeah, that's how, at least how I find it. But problems just fade away on the bike. Now I know a lot of people aren't really into the whole Street Fighter thing because the whole Street Fighter line was cancelled and only the really old school hardcore Ducati fans would remember the old school Street Fighters. Not to mention there aren't many of the old school Street Fighters around. And boy did I have a big crush on the old school Street Fighter. I thought they were the sexiest thing on two wheels. But when I got to the age where I was legally allowed to ride or drive, they had already discontinued the Street Fighter for close to a decade, which was kind of sad because the only other bikes that were out there, or Street Fighters that were out there, were essentially second-hand bikes, but they had already been modded, nothing was stock, extremely high kilometers, and were just, yeah, just been used and abused essentially. And I guess now that this series of Street Fighter has been brought back due to the overwhelming amount of people, such as myself included, wanting the Street Fighter back, there's actually not a lot of coverage on the bike, which is kind of sad. But I also do understand the side where some owners of motorcycles just want to enjoy the experience of the bike and just, you know, they just want to keep that feeling and that, you know, memories of the bike to themselves, which is totally respectable. I understand that. But there are not a hell of a lot of people that actually, hell, even vlog with the Street Fighter. I wouldn't say daily vlog, but just moto vlog, just, you know, someone who owns it or who isn't being paid to review the bike, essentially. But luckily y'all have found me. I've owned the bike since brand new, since launch date. Let's see, I'm gonna be puddling around a little bit because I do believe the fireworks either start now or 1 AM, I can't remember which one it was, or maybe they've already done them. I really don't know, but who cares? I'm on the bike, I'm gonna enjoy it. It's nice and cool. The wind is good. And I just hope nobody bugs me, because I really can't be fucked tonight. I just want to enjoy our last day of 2021. Oh, I do need to remember that my clutch is a bit dodgy at the moment. For some reason, my clutch just seems to be, you know, just running very, very soft. But now that I've turned the actual engagement screw to the, well, further south setting, the engagement point's a lot further out. So it's working now, but my usual setting, for some reason, but yeah, for some reason, are you turning or what, dude? Holy crap. But yeah, for some reason, it's just going really soft, so I don't know if it's my master cylinder in there that's being all dodgy, but it's really inconvenient. So that is literally the definition of burning money, like, damn. On, but people are just fucking dickheads. Oh boy, got an insect in my mouth. Yes, stand on the street, guys. That's like perfect safe spot. Perfectly a safe spot to watch the fireworks. Lol. Up your mind, dude. I hate indecisive people sitting in the middle of the goddamn lane. Like, goodness gracious me. If I can, I'm peasing the fuck out of here, boy. Of course, fucking codes. Like driving on fucking gravel. Holy shit. Had enough. Cops are out and about full force as usual. Well, 2022. I hope you're better than 2021. As sure as hell, if it's going to be a repeat, no, I'm not going to be happy. Now, I don't know how much battery life I've got left. I have been riding for a little bit. If the video is still going, thank you for watching this night cruise. Hopefully I can do something spicy with this edit. If not, I'll figure something out.